Hey everyone, welcome back to day 12 of the challenge of where I'm trying to make $500 as fast as I can for my woodworking business. So far, today, what we are planning on doing is I have another custom order. As you guys know, we just sold one of the custom orders as well. $250, those 3 side tables. But we are going to be trying to make these 3 pieces into table legs for that tree cookie table for a client. But I don't know. This one's gonna be a test on my abilities, but we're hopefully gonna make it work because there's gonna be lots of chiseling and stuff like that. So here we go. We're also going to be finishing up some epoxied stuff here. This is one of the bigger side tables, and this is one of the smaller side tables, which that includes just sanding off the drips here and finishing the other underside with a seal coat. So we're getting good progress on this project so far. As you can see, we've got this guy just about right. We just need to continue shaving this down so we have a nice kind of fit there, as you can see. It's not looking too bad so far, actually. But then we gotta deal with this piece here. We gotta figure out how to attach that, or we gotta get it right here. But we will just keep trying, and I'm just taking this process nice and slow because it's a bit tricky and I don't want to mess anything up, but I think we can get it. Here we go. Okay, everyone, so I'm getting decent ways here. It took me a long time to cut that, but whatever. As you see here, we're gonna try to make a little notch out right here, just so that these can butt up against each other. But yeah, we'll try to do that. Okay, everyone, so as you can see here, we didn't quite we just have a little bit to notch out here just yet. We didn't quite go high enough, but it is starting to come together here. Just a few more cuts. Then hopefully we'll have it kind of together here. And then what we'll do is we will just do a lot more sanding and chiseling to get all this bark off. And then hopefully, yeah, coat it with epoxy or something, but yeah, so that's the end of day 12. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. We're still at $250, but we're gonna give it another go tomorrow.